Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing so the device reads live data reliably. Plug the OM129 into the vehicle OBD-ROMAN 2 port, then switch ignition to on. This powers sensors without cranking. Next, open the Autophix app and pair over Bluetooth or USB. Make sure the device ID matches. Once connected, select the vehicle profile and protocol automatically detected by the tool. This initial link is critical because it establishes the data stream you will diagnose and clear later. You now perform the auto scan to pull DTCs and freeze frame snapshots. This reveals the system's reporting faults. Then view live PIDs, RPM, MAP, O2, fuel trim, so you can correlate bad codes with real values. If the OM129 supports active tests, run bidirectional commands to actuate relays or valves and observe responses. Make notes or save logs for comparison. By comparing expected ranges to measured values, you identify whether a code is sensor, wiring. You finish by clearing codes and verifying fixes through a controlled drive or test cycle. Clearing removes history while the drive confirms recurrence. Immediately save session logs and export CSV so you can review before and after values. If a code returns, focus on wiring, grounds, and sensor voltages rather than swapping parts blindly. Measure the sensor with a multimeter to confirm. One troubleshooting tip. If the OM129 loses connection, toggle airplane mode on your phone, restart the app, and repair to resolve Bluetooth conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.